continues its golf-inspired footwear rollout with a unique Air Max 90 golf design honoring Scotland's premier tournament, the Scottish Open, set for July 10 to 13, 2025. Following last month's US Open-themed Air Max Plus Golf, this release dives into historical storytelling. Inspired by King James II's 15th-century ban on golf, Nike adds a cheeky twist with luxurious materials like ostrich leather, patterned silk, and sail leather with metallic gold flakes. A playful detail sees the word golf crossed out on the tongue and insole, referencing the King's infamous decree. According to a product description leaked by Elden Monitors, this edition blends regal aesthetics with cultural satire. While Nike hasn't confirmed a release date, its timing suggests a drop in early July. This striking pair reaffirms Nike's creative alignment with the golf calendar while offering fans another bold, story-rich take on the classic Air Max 90 silhouette.